Unveiling the Mystery. What does moonset really mean? Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is always a fun and engaging experience. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the term moonset. Have you ever heard of it? Well, stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it in your daily conversations. Let's start by breaking down the word itself. Moonset is a compound word, combining moon and set. Moon refers to the Earth's only natural satellite, that bright and beautiful object we see in the night sky. Set, in this context, refers to the act of going down or disappearing below the horizon. So, putting them together, moonset refers to the moment when the moon goes down and disappears below the horizon, just like the sunset. Now that we know what moonset means, let's talk about when and how you can use this word. You can use moonset to describe a specific time of day, particularly in the evening or at night. For example, the moonset tonight is at 10:30 p.m. You can also use it to describe a beautiful scene. For example, we sat by the beach and watched the moonset. It was breathtaking. It's also worth noting that moonset is related to a couple of other terms. Sunset. This is the moment when the sun goes down and disappears below the horizon. Moonrise. This is the opposite of moonset. It refers to the moment when the moon appears above the horizon. Understanding these terms together can help you better describe different times of day and natural phenomena. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive explanation of the term moonset. We hope this video has been informative and has helped clear up any confusion you might have had about this word. Remember, learning a new language is all about adding new words to your vocabulary and understanding how to use them in context. So, keep practicing, keep learning, and as always, keep having fun with English. See you in the next video.